Today we are going to have sorting activity. What do we need to do? We have a lot of words and we need to divide these words into two groups with E and magic E and with long sound E with double E letters. So they are both long E sounds, E and magic E and E double E. So we take one word, read it and stick to some half with E and magic E or double E. So sleep, sleep, double E. So I put some glue and stick it to the side with double E. The next word is eat, and we don't read the last E in the end, magic E. So compete, compete. So this is E and magic E, and I stick it to this side. The next word is jeep, jeep, jeep. So I stick it to the right side with double E. The next word is sweep, 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 double E. So I stick it to the side with double E. And the next word is sin. We don't read magic E in the end, and this will be sin, sin, sin. So this is E and magic E. Okay, let's see the next word. Do you remember CH? Together we read it as ch, ease, cheese, cheese. Okay, so double E, right? And we put it to double E side. Okay, and the next word is, do you remember TH? Give us together sound S. So E, three, three. So this double E. And the next word is E, E, tree, tree. And this also double E, so we put this word here. And the next word is eat, delete, delete. So this is E and magic E. And the next word is eat, athlete, athlete. So athlete, E and magic E. Let's see the next word. Eat, complete, complete, complete. Which side do we put this word? Right, this is the side of E and magic E. Let's see the next word. T and H together give us sound S. So Z or Z, Z, E, S, these, E and magic E. And the next word is street, street, street. And we put it to the side of double E. And the next word is sweet, 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 also double E. And we have the last word, eat, peat, p-eat, peat. Without magic E, we will read it as pet, but with magic E, we read it as peat. So we stick it to the side of magic E. Okay, and now let's read all words together. So E and magic E. Compete, scene, delete, athlete, complete, these, Pete. And let's move to the side of double E. Sleep, jeep, sweep, cheese, three, tree, street, sweet. That's it. So see you next time.